Welcome to Football Invaders on Facebook and on YouTube. Please like and subscribe. Sipethi ikhosi apha. Isizini engathi inhle kakhulu makhosi. Funa nje uvi-views zakho bora yam. Ulibuka njani ikhosi lesizini?
No, so far so good.
Yeah.
There's nothing much I can take from. It's a huge improvement from me last season.
Yeah.
And the football coach now, so they analyze the team. I divorced them. I'm not talking said Stellenbosch. It's my hometown.
Yeah.
So I supported Stellenbosch this past seasons, but what I've seen from your recruitment, Yabo, it brought something back in terms of okay, now they want to win our hearts back.
Okay.
As you can see, the stadiums are full. People they like what they see, draw or lose. At least that there is players of Kaiser Chiefs quality and caliber that can actually perform the way the Kaiser Chiefs wants to perform.
Okay, now man, ifakele nangona njalo ngekhosi but since silapha siyahlon Stadium namhlanje Mamelodi Sundowns neStellenbosch. Ngicela nje ubuze into ubana uyayibona Sundowns i-challenge for number 1 position kule season.
Angeke ba. as much as ndingafuni Sundowns iwine or to challenge Sundowns, I mean they've built a dynasty. You understand?
Yeah.
But nesifunayo as much is the parity performer, the Chiefs performer, I don't see Sundowns winning the league.
Okay. Because kakhulu buri. Asibambe istilisa, sibulela kakhulu. Ebudu wami, istilisa mhlanje zala neSundowns. Imeshi zabanzima kakhulu. But ndifuna nje uva kuwe, zini views zakho. Ubona ihamba njani le meshi?
Le meshi lezama kakuhle kakhulu. ISundowns ayizufuma iStellenbosch sawina 1-0.
Okay, 1-0. So, okay, masijonge pha kwi-series ke ngoku players zakho Ntombo zithembile. Ntombo uyazidinga for le game. I mean iSundowns le.
Yeah, abantu abanjengoSanele Phansi bayafuneka uMochelo.
Yeah.
Nalo noDion Papambili.
Okay.
Loo nto leyo senza iStellenbosch sihambe easy Sundowns. Because i-defender ayikwazi ubaleka.
Okay. Because kakhulu bro. Asibone. Danko, Football Invaders on Facebook. Please like and subscribe via YouTube. Danko.